So what's up, guys? We're here with the Rx-7 today. We're gonna see what update. What the hell was that? Okay, what updates? I didn't want to step on anything. There's a bunch of parts here that are very important to the Rx-7, and I don't want to step on that or kill them. This thing is crazy. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, got the build in progress. Look how clean that thing looks, man. We got the suspension on there. Yeah, I believe they're Yonaka suspension. Stop tech, braided brake line. Then we have the rotors and pads from Stop Tech as well. And the calipers, they were just powder coated. They look fresh, man. They look really good. Yeah, I mean, pretty much everything's new. This thing's gonna ride like a damn dream, man. I can't wait. Oh yeah, I believe. Yeah, that was painted as well. Freaking subframe looking fresh. It's been a while since we uploaded, man. There's a lot of things going on. But we're back, man. We're back at it. You know, it's gonna be steady updates now. We still have the back. We haven't even done the back, just the back yet. Still, stop. I believe this side is done, yeah. This thing looks dope, man. With the wheel on it, looks crazy. Now it's lowered. Take a quick video of this. That thing's sitting good in the front. This thing is low. Let's see. Yeah, it looks good. You got the subframe back on. And the sway bar. Oh, and you painted the brackets too? For the sway bar, right? For the radiator? Ah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Let's see. I don't have much space here. Try to zoom out. But we lowered the front. Now on to the back.